Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best Voodoo Priestess costume available on the market, the Women's Voodoo Magic Costume by California Costume Collections. This costume captures the perfect blend of mysterious allure and striking style, making it an ideal choice for Halloween, themed parties, or any event where you want to evoke that captivating voodoo magic vibe. Right out of the box, this costume impresses with its detailed design. It includes a long jacket with buttons, a V-neckline red vest, and a collapsible top hat, all designed to work together to create a dramatic and authentic look. Accompanying these main pieces are two hat sash ties, a bone and skull decorated belt, two green waist sash ties, and a distinctive monkey hand necklace. These accessories add layers of authenticity and flair to the costume, enhancing its overall aesthetic. The fabric used is polyester, which offers durability while keeping the costume lightweight and comfortable enough for extended wear. The jacket's length and fit provide a dramatic silhouette that flows elegantly, with the vest underneath adding a splash of bold color that contrasts beautifully with the darker tones of the jacket and hat. The hat is cleverly collapsible and held together with Velcro, making it easy to store and assemble without hassle. This costume does not include some props often associated with voodoo themes, such as snake accessories, pants, boots, or bracelets, but this allows you to personalize your outfit with your own touches. For those wanting to complete the look, the California Costume Collections offers complimentary items like the Voodoo Priestess wig and Warlock staff, sold separately. These additions can elevate your ensemble further for a full and immersive experience. One unique feature is the included makeup tutorial booklet, guiding you on how to enhance your look with face paint that complements the costume's eerie yet seductive style. This is perfect for those who want to go beyond just wearing the costume and truly transform into the character. Sizing options are generous, ranging from extra small to extra large, so you can find the right fit. The vest is designed with some stretch, accommodating different body types comfortably. The jacket fits true to size, and the overall quality ensures that the costume maintains its shape and appeal even after multiple wears. In terms of presentation, the costume arrives well packaged and ready to impress. The details, like the bone and skull belt and the monkey hand necklace, are eye-catching and add a touch of mystique that sets this costume apart from more generic alternatives. Whether you're attending a Halloween party, a Day of the Dead celebration, or a movie-themed fancy dress event, this voodoo magic costume provides a perfect balance of elegance, detail, and drama. It's designed to evoke a creepy but seductive feeling, making you stand out as a true voodoo priestess. So if you're looking for a costume that combines quality materials, thoughtful design, and an authentic vibe, the Women's Voodoo Magic Costume by California Costume Collections should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this detailed look, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest and thorough product reviews.